What if I told you you can create a complete design in Canva just by typing what you want? No templates, no design skills, just one line of text. Open Canva, click on Canva AI. Now, type your idea. For example, a travel poster with a beach view, airplane graphics, and text saying, "Let's go places." Select your image style, the size ratio, and click on Submit. Within seconds, Canva AI gives you multiple ready-made designs. Pick your favorite one and boom, your design is done. Similarly, you can try one more. Type something like a minimalist birthday invitation with pastel colors and balloons. Click on Submit and you'll see some amazing results. That's how easy it is. One prompt, endless designs. Try Canva AI today and let your imagination do the talking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.